All right, you guys, we got 15 minutes to work that whole body, so bring your feet wide, engage the core, big inhale, take it up. Exhale, lower. We're gonna use a light set of weights, 3 or 5 pounds, and a mat. Let's roll those shoulders back. Keep your core engaged. 4 more. Good, we're gonna open the chest straight here, big lift, and lift. One more time, up, good. Last time, you're gonna take your feet wide, we're gonna lunge over to the right. We're gonna lift to the center, and then take it to the left side. Lift to the center, a little bit faster. So go down, up. I'm just gonna elevate the heart rate for you, get you a little warm before we grab onto those weights and get that body moving. Back and up. Really reach through your fingertips here. 4 more at this pace. You got it, last 2. Good, we're gonna hold it low side to side, just right and left, right and left. Pull your abdominals up and in. Breathe. 4, 3, 2. You got it. We're gonna turn out the toes, lift the chest, sink it down, lift, down, lift. Full range of motion here. Feel your breath. 4 more. Woo. 3 more. We got 2. Last one. Hold it low. Pulse. 8, 6. Rib cage closed. Just breathe. Let's take it to the right lunge. 8 times. 6, 4, 3. Bring it back to center. 8 pulses. Here's 8. You know what we're doing next. We're heading to that left side in 4, 3, 2. Stay low. Take it over to the left. 8, 6. Breathe. 4 more. Back to center. We're gonna squeeze those elbows in and up. In and up. Woo! Hopefully that heart rate's up, you guys. You've got this. 4 more. 3 more. 2. Hold the next one at the top. Big breath. Release those arms. Grab your set of weights. We're gonna bring our feet parallel. Right foot is forward, left foot is back. You're in a lunge with both knees bent. We're gonna drop those weights under the shoulders. We're gonna drop and then bicep curl. Take it down for 2, hammer curl for 2. Really focus on that back knee dropping and then pressing straight. Good. Let's take it up a little faster right here. Down, curl, down, curl. Inhale and exhale. You should feel that back leg light on fire. Woo! Try not to use the momentum here. Find the strength. Pulse it down. Pulse, pulse. Think down, down. Woo! Good. Let's bring our arms up to the chest like you're hugging a beach ball here. Good. Just 4, 3, 2. Now I want you to shift your weight forward. Bring those arms to 90 degrees. You're gonna press the weights up into a box. Slide open, bend down and lower. Press it back up. Go press and drop. Let's speed this up. 1 count. Go drop. In, up, out. You got it. In, center, lift and open. 4, 3, 2. On 1, drop your elbows, drop your arms, left foot forward, right foot back, bend both knees, sink down for 2, hammer curl for 2. Sink down for 2, hammer curl for 2. You got it, y'all. We're gonna speed it up right here. Sink it low, go low, lift, firing into that right thigh. Woo! Are you breathing? We're working. 4, 3, 2, on 1, hold it low, little pulse, down, down, good. Bring those arms back up into your beach ball. Squeeze into that chest, get a little lower, last 8. We made it, 6, keep breathing, 4, 3, 2, on 1, elbows pull in, slide it open, slide, goal post press, bring it in, 1, count, we drop, down, open, lift, squeeze, down, open, lift, squeeze. Keep it going for 4. Woo! We're here for 3. So strong, so fierce. Last 2. Press it up. Last 1. You got it. Hold right here. Drop your arms, walk your feet wide. Turn those toes out. Sink it low. Elbows lift. Sink it low. Fly forward. So we go down for 2. Lift for 2. Down for 2. Lift for 2. Down. And pull. Down. And lift. Good, hold this next one low. We're gonna go 1 count, drop it down. So drop, pull, drop, forward. Drop, pull, drop, reach it front. Down, row, down, lift. Keep your breath, you guys. You have 4 more of these, just 4. Woo! Here's your 3. Last 2. Last one, let's go. You got it. Hold it low, little pulse right here. Take it down. Down, pulse and pulse. Inner thighs firing up. We're here, just 4, just 3. Finish strong, you have 2 and 1. Stretch those legs, shake it out, and meet me down on your mat. Bring those weights with you. We are coming down onto all 4s. I want you to take one of your weights and place it behind your right knee. And then you're gonna drop down to your left forearm. Zip your abs up. Press your shoulders down. Float that right heel up and off of the carpet. We're gonna open up that knee, lift for 2, and then we lower for 2. So this is gonna be outer glute work. Up into that oblique. Shoulders push away from our ears. Inhale. Exhale. Keeping our core fired up. Keep it going, y'all. So good. Give me 4 more right here. 4. 3, you got a little challenge coming up. Stay with me. 2. On this last one, we're gonna hold the leg at our highest point. Take a little lift, 8 times right here. You got 8. You got 6. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Carefully drop that knee. Lose the weight behind your right knee. We're gonna switch the weight behind our left knee now. Come down onto the right forearm. Zip up your core. Float that heel. You're gonna lift the leg up for 2, then down for 2. Lift for 2. Lower 2. Feel that little catch at the top. Keep breathing. Exhale. Inhale. We got it, y'all. We are not here long. Keep it up, lift. Four more, lift up. We have 3. Keep it up, y'all, with you. Last 2. Last one, holding it up at the top. Just take that little pulse, little lift for 8. We got 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop your knee down. Good, move that weight from behind your knee and then take a seat on your bottom and lay all the way back. Rest the back flat. Walk your feet wide, turn your toes out. Place the weights on top of your hips. We're gonna press the hips 1 count up, then tap. Lift and lower. Those outer glutes should be warm from those fire hydrants we just did. Woo! You got it, y'all. Keep it going like this for 8, 7, 6. Breathe into it. Last 4, 3. I'm with you. 2. Hold this next one at the top. Tiny presses. Up, up. Just lift and lift. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna hold it at the top. Take a little press out now. Press out and out. Ooh, that hurts. Breathe, fight for it. You got 8, 6, good, 4, 3, 2, tap in, lift, let's go, tap it down, lift up, down, lift up, lower and press. You've got this. Almost there, you guys. Final push of work, final chance to work our glutes. Focusing in on that low body, last 2. Holding it at the top, isometric hold right here for 8, 6, you got it. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Carefully lower your hips. Lose those weights. Take your hands behind your head. Elbows are wide. Engage your core. This right knee is gonna lift to the elbow. We're gonna tap it down, and then you're gonna extend the leg. Lower down, other side, here we go. Twist to the left. Lower the leg, full extension, reach for the toe. Let's take it a little faster. Right side, we twist, knee, and then reach toe. Switch, knee, reach toe. Knee, reach toe, that's it. Twist, and reach. Keep it going, up. Switch it out, twist, and reach. Two more full sets. Take it over to the right. And up. Take it to the left side. Full reach. One more time each way. Last one. All right, guys, we're gonna go into a slow bicycle twist. Take it over to the right side, left side, right, left. Twist and twist. 4, 3, we're gonna draw both knees in. You're gonna pull the knees into the chest, and then you're gonna reach everything long. So it's inhale, crunch, exhale, reach. Inhale, and exhale. Keep your shoulders hovering. Good, let's speed this up a little faster. It's crunch, reach, crunch, reach. Woo! Find that fire in the core. If slower feels better, take it back down. We're gonna go 8 more times. In, out, Are you breathing? Come on, let's go. Final push, here's 4, 3, 2, that's it, last one. Hold it out, 4, 3, 2, on 1, pull your knees into your chest, rest your head, rock those hips. Holy moly, guys. I got a grand finale for you. Rock and roll yourself up, find a high plank for me. Hands under your shoulders, lift the hips, tuck your hips under. We're gonna tap those toes side to side, so tap your right foot out, in, left foot out, in. Option to stay at this tempo, or you can speed it up. Go right, left, right, left. This is where we finish all that hard work. 8, 7, 6, 5, you've made it. 4, 3, come on, 2, and 1. Hold it, center, freeze. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hips go up, downward facing dog. Push those chests forward. Feel length in your spine, length in the backs of those legs. Bend the right knee and bend the left knee. Little bend and switch. Last set. Good. Drop both feet flat. Start to walk your feet forward. Let your head hang heavy right here over those legs. And then softly bend your knees and rebuild your spine. Holy heck. Big inhale for me. On that exhale, let's release our arms. Let's roll our shoulders away from our ears. Give ourselves a round of applause because that was 15 minutes. No joke, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know in those comments because that was really fun for me. If you want to support my channel, you can do so by clicking any of the links in the description of this video, and we will see you back next time.